Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, construct a minimal DFA which accepts set of all string over a comma b such that second symbol from LHS is a, means from left hand side it should have the second symbol should be a, means the language is containing like first symbol can be anything but second symbol should be a, after that anything. So BA, AA, second symbol from left hand side should be A, then AA, BA, anything. Second symbol from left hand side should be A. So initial state, first symbol can be anything, then second symbol should be A, accepted. After that you are getting anything, fine. But if you are getting B, rejected. Go to dead state. So after reaching dead state, any combination of A comma B be there. So you know that sometimes we give name to this state, sometimes we don't. So it depends upon us. Even in GATE exam, sometimes they will give you the name of this state, sometimes they will not give.